I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tekken 8 on PS5. First, ensure your PlayStation 5 console is connected to your television and powered on. Make sure your system software is fully updated for the best experience. Once Tekken 8 is launched, you'll choose your preferred control style. Arcade style offers classic Tekken inputs, while special style simplifies combos for newcomers. There are over 30 characters to choose from, each with unique fighting styles. Understanding basic controls is crucial. Each of the 4 face buttons on your PlayStation controller corresponds to a specific limb: square for left punch, triangle for right punch, cross for left kick, and circle for right kick. Movement is handled with the D-pad or left stick, allowing you to walk, dash, and sidestep. Blocking is simple. Hold back for high and mid attacks or down back for low attacks. You can also initiate throws by pressing 2 attack buttons simultaneously, like square and cross. Tekken 8 introduces the heat system, a powerful offensive mechanic available once per round. You can activate heat using a heat burst by pressing R1, or by landing a specific heat engager attack. While in heat, your character gains enhanced move properties and all attacks inflict recoverable chip damage, even if blocked. You can then use a heat smash for a strong finishing attack or a heat dash to extend combos and maintain pressure, both consuming your heat gauge. Beyond blocking, defensive options like sidestepping and crouching are vital for evading attacks. When your character's health drops below 25%, you enter a rage state, indicated by a glowing red health bar. This allows you to unleash a powerful, cinematic rage art by pressing R2. Rage arts deal significant damage and can turn the tide of a match, but they can be blocked. Strategic timing, like using it during a combo or as a whiff punish, is essential for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.